Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of South Birmingham. Right, Vauxhall Zafira 7-seater Tourer. It's a 2-litre CDTi SRi. Now the beauty of this car is 2016 on a 66, registered the latter half of 2016 after September, is Euro 6. Euro 6 stop-start ULEZ compliant, going and out of the city, good on fuel, 7-seat diesel, 97,000 miles, just had the cam belt and water pump replaced by a Vauxhall main dealer, £4,995, MOT till the 3rd of November 26. Lovely metallic blue, nice modern looking front park sensors, front fog lamps, alloy wheels. Just had the discs and pads on the front are new, I can see them through the alloys. So cam belt service, front discs and pads I would think, because they're new. Rear park sensors, alloy wheels with nice tyres, new brake discs and brake pads in there, modern looking front end, sport seats because it's an SRi CDTi, electric windows, front and rear electric mirrors, black cloth sport seats, leather multifunction steering wheel, has got DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. The start, stop and park sensor buttons are down there. It's got front and rear park sensors. You can fold this seat forward. In there are the 6th and 7th seats, and then we can slide this seat back so it matches the others. Nice and clean in there in the back. Popular 7-seater, these, you can see why. Reliable 2-litre diesel. Those two seats obviously fold into the floor if you want a large boot area but only carry 5 people. £4,995, just had the cam belt done. Wheels and tyres, as I say, very nice. New disc and pads on the front. Electric mirrors, electric windows, cloth on the driver's seat is in good condition, nice and clean inside, air conditioning, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, £4,995, MOT till November. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of months. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.